The HIZONE 200A Multiprocess Welder is a versatile 8-in-1 machine capable of handling various welding tasks such as gas metal inert gas, gasless flux core, stick, and lift tungsten inert gas welding. It is designed to work with a wide range of materials, including aluminum, iron, carbon steel, stainless steel, and copper, making it suitable for diverse applications. This welder can accommodate spools up to 10 pounds and is compatible with various welding wire types, enhancing its adaptability for different projects. Featuring a large, upgraded liquid crystal display, the machine allows for precise adjustments and clear data visibility even while wearing a helmet, which is especially useful for outdoor and maintenance work. The 2-button and 4-button functions offer flexibility for different welding tasks, with the 4-button mode allowing continuous welding without holding the trigger, ideal for lengthy projects. HIZONE provides responsive customer service to address any issues with missing accessories or manuals, ensuring a smooth user experience.